There they are, Tony!
There's the bells.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
I can do this with the toaster.
Okay.
Maybe we can do this on Saturday.
I don't think they have bells on Saturday.
Or the,
Listen for a second. No. We want to hear the bells.
hang out two times. Why did Tony take me to the bell?
Because it's your favorite thing. Well, you think they're finished?
Aren't they finished yet?
Seems like it.